Listen and learn. English. Maya is turning 10 today. She wakes up with a big smile on her face. It's her birthday. Her family has planned a small party in the backyard. Balloons and colorful streamers hang from the fence. There is a table with snacks, juice, and a big chocolate cake. Her cousins arrive around noon. They bring gifts wrapped in shiny paper. Everyone gives Maya a hug and wishes her a happy birthday. Music plays from a speaker and the kids start to dance and laugh. They play games like musical chairs and pin the tail on the donkey. There is also a small bounce house in the corner. Maya and her friends jump and giggle for a long time. Later, everyone gathers around the table. Maya's mom lights the candles on the cake. Make a wish, someone says. Maya closes her eyes, makes a quiet wish, and blows out all 10 candles at once. Everyone claps and sings. She opens her gifts and says thank you to each person. There are books, toys, and a new backpack with her favorite cartoon character. She feels happy and loved. As the sun goes down, the guests start to leave. Maya waves goodbye and helps clean up. She looks at the decorations, the empty plates, and the gifts on the table. It has been a wonderful day. She will always remember this birthday.
Carlos takes the bus to work every morning. He leaves his house at 7:15 and walks to the bus stop down the street. It's a cool morning and he wears a light jacket. The bus stop has a small bench and a sign with the schedule. He checks his watch. The bus arrives right on time. The doors open with a soft beep and Carlos steps inside. He greets the driver and taps his card on the machine. Then he finds a seat near the window. The bus is quiet today. A few people are reading, others are looking at their phones. Carlos puts on his headphones and listens to music. Outside the window, the city passes by, shops, schools, people walking. After a few stops, more passengers get on. Carlos moves his bag so someone can sit next to him. He likes watching how different people ride the bus. Some are going to school, others to work, and some just running errands. 20 minutes later, he presses the button to stop. The bus slows down and Carlos thanks the driver as he gets off. He walks the rest of the way to his job, feeling relaxed and ready to start the day. Riding the bus saves him time and gives him a moment to think before work begins.
Jasmine goes to the library after school. She has a big test next week, and she wants a quiet place to study. The library is calm, with soft lights and quiet voices. She walks to the study area and finds a table near a window. She takes her books and notebook out of her bag. She also has a pencil case, a bottle of water, and a small snack. Jasmine opens her math book first. She reads the chapter and starts to solve practice problems. Sometimes she gets stuck, but she doesn't give up. She reads the example again and tries one more time. Slowly, it starts to make sense. She writes notes in her notebook and underlines important ideas. After working on math, she takes a short break. She walks around the library and looks at the shelves. There are books on every topic: history, science, cooking, and stories. She smiles and chooses one book to borrow for fun. Then she returns to her seat and works on her English homework. She writes a short paragraph and checks her spelling. She uses a small dictionary to look up new words. An hour passes. Jasmine feels proud. She finishes most of her homework and understands the lessons better. Before she leaves, she checks out the book she picked and says goodbye to the librarian. She walks home with a clear mind and a bag full of knowledge.